pretty much everything that we got for this month. It's not a lot like my usual grocery haul, but this is what we need for this month. We don't really need a lot because like I said, we still have a lot of items in the freezer and the fridge. So I'm going to be putting them away now and I'll be showing that to you. Hey friends! Welcome to my channel. My name is Selle. Today's video is Fridge Restock plus Pantry Organization. I'm going to be putting away our grocery haul. I hope you enjoy this video and clean and organize with me. Or if you're trying to get some cleaning motivation, I hope that this video helps you to get up and tackle your own to-do list of chore in your own home. Let's do this! Here, I'm giving you a quick look what the fridge and freezer looks like before I clean and organize it. I did recently just upload our grocery haul, which is everything that I am organizing today. I showed in that video, so in case you want to see it and watch it after this one, I will link that video in the description box below. I usually like to start with the frozen items and then the cold ones, and then I move on with the dry food and also like canned goods and all that, the things for the pantry. Those are the last things that I do. I start with the cold and frozen first because those are temperature sensitive and I want to make sure I put those away first and fast so that they don't go bad. Here I'm showing you what the freezer looks like. It's pretty nasty, so this needs some really good cleaning and wiping. And every time I clean my fridge, I'm only using water mixed with vinegar. I don't like any chemical in our fridge and around our food, so this is like an all-natural cleaning product that, like I said, I only use in our fridge and it works really well. I clean our fridge once a month, usually before or after we do our monthly grocery shopping. Let me know in the comments down below how often do you clean your fridge. So I just want to say, if this is your first time here, hello and welcome. I am so glad you're here. My name is Selle. I am a wife and a full-time working mommy of one sweet boy. If you like and enjoy videos like this, as well as home cleaning motivations and mom blogs, I upload those kind of videos or contents every Friday, so be sure to subscribe and don't forget to turn your notification bell on so you will not miss any of my future videos. And if you are one of my friends and returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and watching and hanging out with me today. I truly appreciate you and your love and support for my channel. And also, please introduce yourself in the comment box below if you are new here. I would love to get to know you. In this freezer, I like to put the ice cream on like 3/4 of this top freezer, and then the other quarter side is usually our breakfast sandwiches. The basket is not full right now, so I kind of like squeeze the other ice cream in here because we don't really finish everything that we get in our grocery shopping trip in like 30 days. Usually we have some leftovers. We didn't buy these breakfast sandwiches for this month. I think we got these from our last grocery haul, if not the one before that. And then for our next grocery shopping for the next month, we just get whatever we need or whatever we run out of that we want to have again. So that's why we still have this breakfast sandwiches here, because we have other breakfasts that we do alternate to eat. We don't eat this every single day, so that's why we still have a little bit of this. And then on the bottom side of this freezer, we have half more other breakfast, and then half of it is like frozen easy dinners. Moving on, in our deep chest freezer, I do have a system put in here. As you see, those white basket are kind of like separating what we got on the bottom. So the left side are all of our beef and pork, and then the right side are all of our chicken. That one basket on the right side is just all chicken because we do have a lot of chicken, like chicken here. And then on top of the chicken basket, I also put another basket that's full of seafood. On the right side are just like fried rice and chow mein. On top of the beef, I just like throw all the fries here. Those are bags and easy to move anyway, so there's that. And then that white basket on the left next to the seafood, I just put all of our little pizzas and French bread, and there's like leftover fries there that's very little, so I just transferred it to the Ziploc bags and just put it on top of that so we don't forget it. Moving on, in the fridge, I'm organizing this drawer where I like to put all of our dairy items, and then sometimes if the deli meats fits in here too, then I do put those in here too. After the fridge, I'm going to be moving on in the pantry and putting away everything that we got for this month. I'm not going to be fully like organizing the pantry. I recently just did that in my last grocery haul, fridge and pantry restock. If you want to see that video as well, I will link that in the description box below. That's like a bit longer than this video and in much more detail with the pantry. I feel like in this video I did focus more in the fridge. But yeah, so I'm just organizing these canned goods here. This is separated from our pantry because I don't have space for this in our pantry. We don't have a big pantry. Actually, it's not even a pantry. It's like cabinets that I use as a pantry because I feel like that's how it's supposed to be because we don't have a pantry in this house. So after organizing the inside fridge and freezer and pantry, I'm now moving on here in our other fridge that's in our backyard because we don't have space for this in the garage. I know most people, that's where they put their fridge, but we don't have space in the garage, so we have this here in our backyard, which works perfect because we usually only have all of our barbecue items here and whatever is overflowing from the other fridge and the chest freezer. So this works for us. And then on the bottom side of this fridge is pretty much just all beverage. So when we have people come over, we usually stays outside. And yeah, so at least the beverage is right there. We don't have to go inside and grab beverage. So this actually really works out for us being here in our backyard. over 100 degrees here right now, so look at me, like just by wiping the fridge, I'm really sweating. everything. I am so hungry and tired. I made smoothie for me and my son. Show your smoothie. Show your smoothie. Is it good?
Yes.
It's blueberries, strawberries, and banana. It's so good. Every time we don't finish our fruits, I freeze it and use it for smoothies so that they don't go bad and we don't waste them. And I also have popcorn in the microwave right now because I'm hungry, so I'm gonna have a snack before I make dinner. And this is pretty much it, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I truly appreciate your time spent with me, and I'm glad you're here today. I will talk to you all again on my next video. Bye, friends. Joseph, can you say bye to my friends?
Bye.